Federal Court of India was established in which year? 1935, 37, 46, 47. Federal Court of India was established in which year? 1937. Supreme Court of India was inaugurated on which date? 30 January 1950, 28 January 1950, 27 January 1950, 29 January.
28 January. 28 January.
Correct. 28 January 1950. In which year collegium system for appointment of judges was adopted by Supreme Court of India? 1993, 1996, 2000, 2004.
93.
Correct. 1993. The power to increase the number of judges in the Supreme Court of India is vested in what? President of India, Parliament, Chief Justice of India, Law Commission.
Parliament.
Correct.
Parliament.
Parliament. Under which article it is prescribed that all proceedings in the Supreme Court of India shall be in English language? Supreme Court Rules 1966, a legislation made by Parliament, Article 145 of Constitution of India, Article 348 of the Constitution of India.
348.
Correct. Article 348. Who is the guardian of Indian Constitution? President, Parliament, Supreme Court, Cabinet.
Supreme Court.
Correct. The final authority to expound the Indian Constitution is who? Supreme Court, Attorney General of India, President, Speaker of Lok Sabha. Supreme Court. Who is the guardian of fundamental rights? Supreme Court, Parliament, President, Prime Minister.
Supreme Court.
Supreme Court.
Correct. Under which article Parliament can increase the jurisdiction of Supreme Court? Under which article Parliament can increase the jurisdiction of Supreme Court? Article 132, 134, 138, 143.
138.
Article 138. 138. The power to enlarge the jurisdiction of Supreme Court of India rests with whom? President of India, Parliament, Union Ministry of Law Justice, Chief Justice of India.
Parliament.
Parliament.
Parliament. Every judge of Supreme Court of India is appointed by whom? Supreme Court Collegium, Cabinet, President, Lok Sabha.
Supreme Court Collegium.
President of India.
President, every judge.
President of India. Who appoints the acting Chief Justice of Supreme Court of India? Prime Minister, President, Chief Justice of Supreme Court, Minister of Law.
President.
President.
Correct.
President.
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 Correct. The judges of Supreme Court are appointed by President on dash being approved by the Rajya Sabha on the advice of Lok Sabha in consultation with Chief Justice of Supreme Court on the advice of Prime Minister.
Chief Justice.
Seat.
Correct. Judges of Supreme Court are appointed by President in consultation with Chief Justice of Supreme Court, which is not a criterion required to be qualified for appointment as Judge of Supreme Court. Not a criterion. At least 5 years as a Judge of High Court, at least 10 years as an Advocate of High Court, in the opinion of President a distinguished jurist, at least 20 years as a sub-judicial magistrate.
Last.
D.
20 years.
Option D.
Correct.
20.
There is no such
20 years.
criterion that he should be he should have at least 20 years as a sub-judicial magistrate. What is the age of retirement of judge of Supreme Court? 60, 62, 65, 70.
65.
65.
65.
65 correct. Who among the following can be appointed as judge of Supreme Court? An advocate who has practiced for at least 10 years in any court, a judge of High Court for at least 3 years, a distinguished jurist in the opinion of President of India, a person who has held a judicial office for at least 15 years.
Sir, fast.
କୋଉଟା ଗୋଟେ କିଏ ଆପଏଣ୍ଟ ହେଇପାରିବ ଜଜ୍ ଅଫ୍ ସୁପ୍ରିମ କୋର୍ଟ? ଏବେ ନାଇଁ ଆଡଭୋକେଟ ଯେ ସେଟା ଭୁଲ ଦେଇ ଦେଇଛି, ଆଟଲିଷ୍ଟ 10 years in any court କହିଛି ତ ହବନି ସେଟା। ତ ଏ ଡିଷ୍ଟିଂଗୁଇଶ୍ଡ ଜୁରିଷ୍ଟ ଇନ ଦ ଓପିନିଅନ ଅଫ ପ୍ରେସିଡେଣ୍ଟ ଯୋଉଟା ଅଛି
President.
ସେଟା ହିଁ ହେଇପାରିବ।
Eଟା. C
ଅନ୍ୟ
option.
ସବୁ ଅପସନରେ କୋଉଥିରେ ଡ୍ୟୁରେସନ କମ ଅଛି ନହେଲେ ଏନି କୋର୍ଟ ଦେଇ ଦେଇଛି, ସେଥିପାଇଁ ରଙ୍ଗ ହବ। ନେକ୍ସଟ
Sir, ସେଇଟା C option ତ?
correct, a distinguished jurist in the opinion of president of India. The power to appointment as judge is vested in whom? High Court, High Court and Supreme Court both, neither in Supreme Court nor in High Court, Supreme Court of India.
Supreme Court of India.
Supreme Court.
Correct, Supreme Court of India. A judge of Supreme Court may resign his office by writing a letter to whom? Chief Justice of India, President of India.
President of India.
Correct,
Chief Justice of India.
President of India. Correct.
Yes.
Salaries of judges of Supreme Court are determined by whom? Take
Parliament.
correct.
Parliament.
Correct. Parliament. Which is the correct sequence of Chief Justices of Supreme Court of India? माने तीन तीन टा ना अछि, करेक्ट सीक्वेंस कोटा अछि क्रोनोलॉजिकली, जे फास्ट हेथिले फास्ट हेथिवो, सेकंड थर्ड ऑप्शन परे कहबो। बीपी सिन्हा, पीबी जगेंद्र गधकर, एसआर दास, एमती भी थिले कि चीफ जस्टिस हो। नेक्स्ट केजी बालकृष्णन, एसएच कपाड़िया, एचएल दत्तू, रंजन गोगोई, एनवी रमणा, दीपक मिश्रा।
एटा लास्ट
थर्ड लास्ट ऑप्शन एचएल दत्तू, टीएस ठाकुर, जेएस खेर।
ऑप्शन सेकंड सर, सेकंड
बीटा।
नाइस, थर्ड टा भी भूल
ऑप्शन
अछि,
सी
लास्ट टा
बीटा।
करेक्ट अछि। एचएल दत्तू थिले 2014 रु 15, तो लास्ट ऑप्शन रे थिला एचएल दत्तू, टीएस ठाकुर एंड जेएस खेहर। एचएल दत्तू थिले 2014 रु 15, टीएस ठाकुर थिले 15 रु 17, तापरे जेएस खेहर थिले 17 रो 6 मास पई। देन आसिले दीपक मिश्रा, देन रंजन गोगोई, देन यू ललित, देन डीवाई चंद्रचूड़, एमती अछंती।
सर ताहले ऑप्शन डी हैला एटा?
करेक्ट, एचएल दत्तू, टीएस ठाकुर, जेएस खेहर। After retirement, Supreme Court judge could practice in dash. In Supreme Court, in High Court, in both, not in any court.
Both.
Not in any court.
not in any court.
Correct, not in any court. Indian Constitution makes provision for the appointment of ad hoc judges in which court? Supreme Court, High Court, District and Sessions Court, all of the above.
All of them.
All.
Nine, Supreme Court under Article 127.
Distinction.
Indian Constitution makes provision for appointment of ad hoc judges in Supreme Court of India. Next. Which of the following type of judges can be appointed in Supreme Court of India? दीटा जिनस कहबी जज, गोटे भी ହେଇପାରେ, दीटा भी ହେଇପାରେ, बोथ ହେଇପାରେ, कोनोसीटा भी न ହେଇପାରେ। एडहॉक जज, एडिशनल जज। Which type of judges appointed in
बड़ा
Supreme
ad
Court of India?
ad hoc के बड़ा
Correct. Only ad hoc judge. ଏବେ କହିଥିଲି ଦେଖିବା କିଏ ମନେ ରଖିଲା under which article of constitution there is provision for appointment of ad hoc judges in Supreme Court of India?
27
106
127 correct. Under article 127. Which of the following powers of Supreme Court is also conferred on High Court? ମାନେ ସୁପ୍ରିମ କୋର୍ଟର କୋଉ ପାୱାରଟା ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ଉପରେ ବି ଅଛି? ଅପସନ୍ସ ହେଲା ଆଡଭାଇଜରୀ ପାୱାର, power of doing complete justice in any cause or matter pending before the court, power of court of record, power to allow or refuse special leave petition.
power of record
Correct.
See.
Under
Power of court of record.
correct
129.
correct.
Article.
ସୁପ୍ରିମ କୋର୍ଟରେ ଅଣ୍ଡର ଆର୍ଟିକଲ 129 ଅଛି ଆଉ ଅଣ୍ଡର 215 ହାଇକୋର୍ଟର ବି ଅଛି ପାୱାର ଅଫ କୋର୍ଟ ଅଫ ରେକର୍ଡ. Next. Which article of constitution provides advisory jurisdiction to Supreme Court? 129,
140.
143, 32.
143.
42
Correct.
140.
143. Next. Advisory powers of Supreme Court of India imply that it may what? It may advise to all the it may advise to Prime Minister on legal matters. It can advise to Government of India on all constitutional matters. It may advise to the President on issues of
Advice to
law
President.
or fact which is of public importance.
President. Advice to President.
then advice to president
Correct.
Seat.
Correct. It may advise to the President on issues of law or fact which is of public importance. Which of the following subjects comes under the common jurisdiction of Supreme Court and High Court? Mutual disputes among states, dispute between center and state, protection of fundamental rights, protection from violation of constitution.
center and state
Beat.
relations
beat state
Second,
central state
second option ଟା original jurisdiction ଆସୁଛି article 131 ଭିତରେ ସୁପ୍ରିମ କୋର୍ଟର
କୋଉଟା common jurisdiction ମାନେ ସୁପ୍ରିମ କୋର୍ଟର ବି ଅଛି ହାଇ କୋର୍ଟର ବି ଅଛି?
ଆଉ fundamental rights
oh fundamental right
Protection of fundamental rights. Correct. Which of the following statements is true regarding Supreme Court? Supreme Court has only basic jurisdiction. Supreme Court has only basic and appellate jurisdiction. Supreme Court has only advisory and appellate jurisdiction. Supreme Court has basic, appellate and advisory jurisdiction.
last one.
last
one. Basic advisory appellate.
Correct. Under 131 होची original जोटा basic, then 132 ରୁ 134 appellate, then 143 कौन?
Advisory.
Correct. Which of the following does not fall under jurisdiction of Supreme Court of India? Original jurisdiction, appellate jurisdiction, collegiate jurisdiction, advisory jurisdiction.
Collegiate.
Correct. Power of Supreme Court to decide in the case of a dispute between two or more states comes under which jurisdiction?
Original jurisdiction.
Original
Under article
or
131.
Original.
Correct. Under Article 131. Which of the following article deals with appellate jurisdiction of Supreme Court in connection with constitutional cases? Article 131, Article 132, Article 132 read with Article 134A, Article 133 read with 134A. ଏବେ କହିଥିଲି
Last sir.
ନାଇଁ 133
33 34
130.
132
132.
132
32.
132 read with 134A. appellate jurisdiction of Supreme Court. All disputes related to interpretation of Constitution can be brought to Supreme Court under which jurisdiction? Initial, consulting, appellate, none of these.
Appellate.
Late.
Appellate jurisdiction. All disputes related to interpretation of Constitution can be brought to Supreme Court under appellate jurisdiction. Within how many days an appeal can be made by an aggrieved person by decision of National Green Tribunal to Supreme Court? Within how many days an appeal can be made by an aggrieved person by decision of NGT to the Supreme Court of India?
90,
30 days, 90 days, 45
90
days,
days.
60 days. Correct.
90 days.
90 days. Correct. Correct.
19.
Which constitutional authority inquires and decides in case of doubts and disputes arising out of election of President and Vice President of India? Supreme Court of
Supreme Court.
India,
Supreme
Election
Court.
Commission of India.
Supreme Court.
Supreme Court of India.
Correct, correct. Under Article 71, Supreme Court of India inquires and decides in case of doubts and disputes arising out of election of President and Vice President of India. The minimum number of judges of Supreme Court required for hearing any case involving interpretation of Constitution is dash 10, 7, 9, 5. Minimum number of judges of Supreme Court required for hearing any case involving interpretation of Constitution.
5,
5.
Correct.
10.
5,
Minimum five judges. Under Article 145 subsection 3. Under Article 145 subsection 3. Who is authorized to transfer the cases running in any court of country? Supreme Court, High Court,
Supreme Court.
President, no. Correct.
Supreme Court.
Supreme Court.
Supreme Court.
Supreme Court.
Supreme Court.
Correct. Another letters Asuji. Supreme Court guidelines issued in Visakha case pertains to what? Domestic violence, rape and sexual violence, sexual harassment at workplace, trafficking in women.
C. Option C. Sexual
C.
harassment at work.
Correct. Sexual harassment at workplace. Which two provisions of the Constitution of India that most clearly express the power of judicial review? Article 21, 446, 32, 226, 44, 152, 17, 143.
Second, sir.
Correct. Article
32 to 26.
Correct.
226.
Article 32, Supreme Court, Article 226, High Court clearly express the power of judicial review. In India, the power of judicial review is enjoyed by dash Supreme Court only, High Court only, both, none of
Both Supreme Court and High Court.
Supreme Court. High Court.
Supreme Court and High Court.
Correct, correct. Supreme Courts of which of the following two countries enjoy the right to review? Great Britain, France, USA, Switzerland, India, USA, none of these.
India, USA.
India, USA, correct. Judicial review in Constitution of India is based on what? Prior decisions and traditions, due process of law, legal rule, procedure established by law.
Procedure established by law.
Correct.
ಜಪಾನ್ ಬರೋ ಕೊಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ
Correct. Under which article of Constitution Supreme Court has the power to review its own judgment and order? Article 126, 137, 138, 139.
139.
Article 137. Article 137.
Sorry, sir.
The basic structure doctrine was enunciated by Supreme Court during which case? Golaknath case, Maneka
Kesavananda
Gandhi
Bharati
case.
case,
Correct. Keswanand.
Kesavananda Bharati case.
1973.
Correct. 1973. गोलकनाथ केस केबे हितला
1960.
7 1967.
1967.
मिनर्वा मिल्स केस 19
1980.
correct
80.
1980 correct. Who was the Chief Justice of India when public interest litigation was introduced in Indian judicial system?
P.N. Bhagavati.
Correct.
P.N. Bhagavati.
Correct. P.N. Bhagavati. The concept of PIL originated in which country? UK, USA, Canada, Australia.
USA.
Correct. Correct. Where the PIL can be filed? Only in Supreme Court of India, only in High Court, both, none of these.
Both.
Both.
Correct, both. In which case, the second biggest bench was constituted by Supreme Court till now. Second biggest bench. Golaknath case, TMA Pi Foundation case, Minerva Mills case, bank nationalization case.
PM Minor.
Minerva Mill case.
ସବୁଠୁ ହାଇଏଷ୍ଟ କୋଉଟା ଲାର୍ଜେଷ୍ଟ ବେଞ୍ଚ କୋଉଟା ଥିଲା କିଏ କହିବ 13 ମେମ୍ବର ଥିଲେ କେଶବାନନ୍ଦ ଭାରତୀ
Kesavananda
Bharti.
କରେକ୍ଟ 13 ଥିଲେ
फाउंडेशन केस है.
ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ଟା କୋଉଟା ମୁଁ ପଚାରିଥିଲି ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ଟା ଗୋଲକନାଥ କେସ୍ ଗୋଲକନାଥରେ 11 ଥିଲେ କଣ
11 benches.
करेक्ट तो 11 थिले तो सेकंड बिगेस्ट बेंच वाज कॉन्स्टिट्यूटेड बाय सुप्रीम कोर्ट टिल नाउ नेक्स्ट A common high court for two or more states can be established by dash a law passed by parliament an order of supreme court of india an order of president of india an amendment to the constitution of india
amendment
First, sir. Parliament.
correct a law
Parliament
passed
of
by the
India.
parliament a law passed by the parliament which articles among the following are associated with high courts of states article 324 to 329 330 to 342 214 to 231 352 to 360
Seat, sir. 214 to 214.
correct 214 to 231 jurisdiction of which of the following high court is on Andaman and Nicobar islands Andhra Pradesh Calcutta Madras Odisha
Madras. Madras.
Calcutta High Court correct
Calcutta.
what is the age of retirement of judge of high court 65 60
62.
68
62.
correct 62 a judge of high court submits his resignation to whom governor of state president chief justice of india
President.
chief justice of conference correct
President.
president article 231 of constitution grants power to establish a common high court for two or more states to whom parliament union cabinet president supreme court correct parliament
Parliament.
which high court has the largest number of benches calcutta madhya pradesh guwahati bombay
Guwahati. Guwahati.
guwahati correct Who determines the number of judges in any high court? Chief Justice of India, President of India, Parliament, Assembly of the
Parliament.
concerned state.
President.
Correct.
President of India.
President of India.
President.
Judge of High Court in India is administered oath of office by whom? Chief Justice of High Court, Governor of State, Chief Justice of India, President of India.
Governor of state.
Correct.
Governor of
Governor of state.
Governor of State. Who makes the appointment of judges of High Court? Authore?
Governor.
President.
Governor of state.
President.
President.
President. The salaries and allowances of judges of High Court are charged to which fund? Which fund?
Consolidated.
Consolidated.
Conta. Consolidated
Consolidated.
fund of
Non-votable.
consolidated
India.
fund of state na India?
India.
State.
Sorry,
Consolidated
state.
fund of
State.
state.
ହେବ।
Salaries,
Contingency to India.
correct. Salaries and allowances of judges of High Court are charged to consolidated fund of the state. Acting judges are appointed in which of the following? Supreme Court, High Court, District Court, both High Court and Supreme Court.
Both High Court.
Both.
High Court and
Under Article 224, only High Court रे अछि provision. Acting judges are appointed in High Court. Under Article 224.
But
Only High Court हवा.
Correct. According to Constitution of India, district judge shall not include dash. Chief Presidency Magistrate, Session Judge, Tribunal Judge, Chief Judge of a small cause court.
magistrate.
Tribunal.
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 That's the last one. Last one.
Correct. Tribunal Judge नथांती. तो Chief Presidency Magistrate ହେଇପାରିବେ, Sessions Judge ବି ଥାନ୍ତି, Chief Judge of a small cause court ବି ଥାନ୍ତି. Under Article 236K, the first judge of High Court or Supreme Court who have voluntarily placed their assets before the public. First judge of High Court or Supreme Court who has voluntarily placed their assets before the public. नुआ टाइप रहेगा टिके. Justice D.V. शैलेंद्र कुमार, Justice K. Chandu, Justice K. Kannan, Justice U.C. श्रीवास्तव.
लास्ट की सर श्रीवास्तव.
K. Kannan.
पंजाब एंड हरियाणा हाईकोर्ट रो जज थिले
के चंद्र.
के कन्नन. Justice K. Kannan was the first judge who had voluntarily placed their assets before the public. The term district judge is mentioned in which article of Constitution? Article 230, 31, 232, 233.
233.
33.
Correct. Article
233.
233. Which of the following is a quasi-judicial tribunal? Central Vigilance Commission, Controller and Auditor General of India, National Commission for Women, Administrative Tribunal.
Last, sir.
Correct.
Administrative Tribunal.
Administrative Tribunal.
Administrative Tribunal. PIL is linked with what? Judicial review, judicial activism, judicial intervention, judicial sanctity.
Judicial activism. Activism.
Correct. Judicial activism. এটা ବହୁତ ଥର exam ରେ ଆସି ସାରିଲାଣି. Which of the following authorities cannot organize lok adalat? Who cannot organize lok adalat? Panchayat Committee, Taluk Legal Services Committee, High Court Legal Services Committee, District
Panchayat
Authority.
Committee.
Correct. Panchayat Committee cannot organize lok adalat. Which governor general is called as heaven born general? स्वर्ग से उत्पन्न सेनानायक. Albuquerque, Francis Dupleix, Robert Clive, Lord Cornwallis.
Robert Clive.
Cornwallis.
Robert Clive, correct.
Clive.
Who was the founder of empire in India? Captain Sleeman, Lord Mayo, Lord Minto, Lord Clive.
Lord Clive.
Clive.
Correct.
Clive.
Correct. ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ କହିବ true ନା false. Robert Clive was the first governor general of Bengal.
True. ठीक ଅଛି.
First Governor General of
ଭୁଲ ଅଛି.
Bengal.
ଭୁଲ ଅଛି.
Bengal
Wrong
Warren
ଅଛି.
Hastings.
Warren Hastings.
ଥିଲେ କେବଳ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣର
Warren Hastings ହବ ହେଲା.
Governor General of India.
ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣର ଯଦି କହିଥାନ୍ତା ଠିକ ହେଇଥାନ୍ତା. ତ
ଖାଲି ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣର ହଁ
बिल्कुल. Second statement. William Bentinck was the first governor general of India.
Correct.
ठीक ଅଛି. ठीक ଅଛି.
Correct.
ଠିକ ଅଛି
Dual system of governance in Bengal was enforced by whom? Robert Clive, Warren Hastings.
Robert Clive. Robert Clive.
Robert Clive, correct. Dual system start
1760.
କରିଥିଲେ. Correct. Robert Clive. Which governor general was knowledgeable? बंद कर दे. Knowledgeable in Arabic, Persian, Bengali besides English? Sir John Shore, Lord William Bentinck, Lord Cornwallis, Warren Hastings.
Warren Hastings.
Warren Hastings.
ୱାରେନ୍ ହେଷ୍ଟିଙ୍ଗ ହଁ
ବେଙ୍କି
William Bentinck.
କିଏ ଜଣେ କଣ ଖାଉଛ ଏମିତି ଲାଗିଲା ମତେ.
ଆନ୍ସର କଣ
Warren Hastings is knowledgeable in Arabic, Persian, Bengali besides English. Which governor general had abolished dual government of Bengal?
Warren Hastings.
Warren Hastings.
Correct. Start करतले Robert Clive, end करतले Warren Hastings.
ଲାଇଭ ହଁ
Policy of ring fence is associated with which governor general? Henry Lawrence, Dalhousie, Warren Hastings, Lord Hastings.
Dalhousie.
Warren Hastings.
Lord Hastings.
Warren Hastings.
Correct. Warren Hastings. Which governor general was impeached in British Parliament? Sir John Shore, Warren Hastings, Lord Clive, General Dyer.
Warren Hastings.
Warren Hastings
Correct.
ୱାରେନ୍ ହେଷ୍ଟିଙ୍ଗ
Correct. Indian public service was enforced during period of dash.
Lord Cornwallis.
Correct.
Cornwallis
Correct. By which act Lord Cornwallis got the right to cancel the decisions of his council? Regulating Act, Act of 1786, Charter Act of 1793, Charter Act of 1813.
Charter Act 1793. 93.
Act of 1786. Act of 1786 de Lord Cornwallis got the right to cancel the decisions of his council, override power. Who said every Indian is corrupted? Cornwallis, Wellesley, Hastings, Dalhousie.
Cornwallis.
Cornwallis
Correct. The tomb of Lord Cornwallis is situated in which state? Bihar, Jharkhand,
Bengal.
Odisha, Uttar Pradesh.
Uttar Pradesh.
UP.
Uttar Pradesh, correct. Next. Subsidiary alliance was a system devised by which governor general?
Lord
Wellesley.
Wellesley.
Lord Wellesley.
Wellesley.
Which of the following Indian rulers became the first to join subsidiary alliance? Bajirao II,
Nizam of
Satara.
Mysore,
Satara.
Nizam Ali, नवाब ऑफ अवध
Nizam
Hyderabad.
Nizam of Hyderabad.
ऑप्शन रे नहीं सेटा
Hyderabad.
ऑप्शन रे नहीं ऑप्शन रे नहीं सेटा
Nizam of Nizam of Ali.
निजाम ऑफ अली नहीं निजाम अली अच्छी नवाब ऑफ अवध अच्छी बजीराव 2 अच्छी किंग ऑफ मैसूर
ନବାବ
Nizam Ali.
ଅବଧ
Nizam habo.
Nizam.
नवाब ऑफ अवध हबो ऑप्शन हिसाब रे ହେଲା ऑप्शन हिसाब रे नवाब ऑफ अवध निजाम ऑफ हैदराबाद तो नहीं ऑप्शन दे तो तापरे जॉइन करथिले तो ऑप्शन हिसाब रे हबो नवाब ऑफ अवध द फर्स्ट इंडियन रूलर हु जॉइंड सब्सिडियरी अलायंस अमंग द फॉलोइंग वाज हु पेशवा बाजीराव 2 निजाम ऑफ हैदराबाद किंग ऑफ ट्राभांकोर नवाब ऑफ अवध
Nizam of Hyderabad.
Nizam of
Hyderabad.
Hyderabad.
करेक्ट करेक्ट नेक्स्ट बहुत इंपोर्टेंट सब्सिडियरी अलायंस वाज नॉट एक्सेप्टेड बाय व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग रूलर्स निजाम ऑफ हैदराबाद रूलर ऑफ मैसूर होलकर ऑफ इंदौर राजपूत ऑफ जोधपुर
Holkar of Indore.
करेक्ट होलकर ऑफ इंदौर which was the first state that signed subsidiary alliance of Lord Wellesley अवध हैदराबाद सूरत मैसूर
Hyderabad.
Hyderabad.
हैदराबाद
Hyderabad.
Hyderabad. Which Rajput state first came under the influence of this treaty of subsidiary alliance? Karauli, Jaipur, Jodhpur, Bikaner.
Jaipur.
Jodhpur.
Jodhpur, correct.
Karauli.
Jodhpur. Then Jaipur. Then Bundi. ଏମିତି ଥିଲେ First Maratha Sardar to accept subsidiary alliance of Lord Wellesley was Dash. Peshwa Bajirao II, Raghuji Bhonsle, Daulat Rao Sindhia, none of these.
First one.
Correct.
Peshwa
Sindhia.
Bajirao II.
Peshwa Bajirao II. Vellore mutiny occurred during the reign of which Governor General? Wellesley, Lord Minto, George Barlow,
Barlow.
Lord Cornwallis.
George Barlow.
Correct.
Lord Minto.
George Barlow, correct. George Barlow. Anglo-Nepal War took place during reign of which Governor General? Lord Wellesley, Hastings, Cornwallis, Warren Hastings.
Hastings.
Co Hastings.
Hastings.
Warren Hastings.
Lord,
Hastings.
Lord
Lord
Hastings.
Hastings.
Lord Hastings, correct.
Lord Hastings.
1814 ରୁ 16 ଯାଏ ହେଇଥିଲା ତ ସେଇ ଟାଇମ୍ ରେ ନେପାଳ ଯୁଦ୍ଧ Treaty of Sogoli took place in which year?
1815.
Correct. 15
ଆଜ୍ଞା
sure 16
Sure.
16 1816 Who was the first Governor General of India? Mayo, Lytton, Canning, Dufferin.
Canning.
Lord Canning.
Canning.
Lord Canning.
Canning.
କେହି ନଥିଲେ ଅପସନ ରେ ନାହାନ୍ତି
Bentinck. Sir Bentinck. First Governor General of India Bentinck.
କରେକ୍ଟ ଅପସନ ରେ ହିଁ ନାହାନ୍ତି ତ ଲର୍ଡ ୱିଲିୟମ ବେଣ୍ଟିଙ୍ଗ was the first Governor General of India. Who among the following was associated with suppression of thugs? Hastings, Bentinck, Auckland, Sleeman.
Bentinck.
ଅପସନ ଶୁଣ ଆଉ ଥରେ କହିବ Hastings, Bentinck, Auckland, Sleeman.
Sleeman.
Auckland.
Captain Sleeman.
Auckland.
କରେକ୍ଟ
Sleeman.
Lord William.
ଅପସନ ରେ ସ୍ଲିମ୍ୟାନ ଦେଇଛି ତ ପର୍ଟିକୁଲାର ଯିଏ ଆସୋସିଏଟେଡ୍ ସେ ହବ ହେଲା ସ୍ଲିମ୍ୟାନ ନେକ୍ସଟ
ବାଜିଗଲା ସେଟା ଗେଷ୍ଟ ଥିଲା ସାର୍ ଏଟା ଗେସ୍ କରିଥିଲି ଏଟା ସିଓର ନଥିଲି
ଠିକ ଅଛି କିଛି ନାହିଁ Which Governor General abolished thugs in India? John Shore, Wellesley, William Bentinck, Mayo.
William Bentinck.
Correct.
ତ ସେ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ଟା ଟିକେ
କୋଉ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ଟା
ଯୋଉଟା ଏବେ ପଚାରିଲେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ
Which
William
Governor
Bentinck
General abolished thugs in India?
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
Which Governor General freed ମାନେ କଣ କହନ୍ତି ଫ୍ରି କରିଦେବା freed Indian newspapers from strict control? William Bentinck, Charles Metcalfe, John Adam, Ellen Borough.
Metcalfe.
Correct. Charles Metcalfe. Liberator of press भी कुहाଯାଏ। Next. Under which Governor General's tenure Britishers conquered Sindh? Annexation of Sindh hitla kaha time re? Lord Auckland,
Ellenborough.
Ellenborough, correct,
Ellenborough.
correct. Lord
Ellenborough.
Ellenborough, correct. Which Governor General abolished slavery in India? Cornwallis, correct.
Ellenborough.
Lord Ellenborough.
Ellenborough.
1843 रे 1843 रे आस्थिला स्लेभरी एक्ट. नेक्स्ट, हु वाज गवर्नर जनरल कहिलो नहीं, कोउटा मैच करू नाही रिगार्डिंग गवर्नर जनरल एंड द इवेंट. सॉरी मैच करूची, अच्छा कोउटा मैच करूची, करेक्टली मैच्ड. लॉर्ड कॉर्नवालिस रेगुलेटिंग एक्ट, लॉर्ड वेलेस्ली परमानेंट सेटलमेंट, लॉर्ड डेलहाउसी फर्स्ट अफगान वॉर, लॉर्ड एलेनबोरो annexation of Sindh.
Last
Lord
one.
Sindh. Last ଟା.
तो आउ गुडाक कुह, तो आउ गुडाक कुह कौन कौन.
Sir, question.
କଣ ଥିଲା ସବୁ?
लॉर्ड कॉर्नवालिस रेगुलेटिंग एक्ट,
Permanent settlement. 1793.
मते इवेंट हिसाब रे कुह करेक्ट कौन हो.
Warren Hastings regulating it.
Regulating Act.
Warren Hastings.
1773. Warren Hastings. Warren Hastings.
देन लॉर्ड वेलेस्ली परमानेंट सेटलमेंट,
Subsidiary alliance.
Lord Wellesley Subsidiary Alliance.
Alliance.
1848.
करेक्ट. कॉर्नवालिस हो. नेक्स्ट कुह लॉर्ड डेलहाउसी फर्स्ट अफगान वॉर.
Deluxe ହଉଛି
ଏ ଯୋଉ ଏଲେନ ବର୍ଜ ଥିଲେ ଆଫଗାନ
doctrine lab.
କିଏ ଥିଲେ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ
ଏଲେନ
अफगान
ବର୍ଜ
वॉर?
ଥିଲେ ଆଫଗାନ ୱାର
लॉर्ड
ଏଲେନ
ऑकलैंड
ବର୍ଜ
थिले,
ଥିଲେ
लॉर्ड ऑकलैंड थिले होला. नेक्स्ट, वर्तमान जेम्स रामसे वाज द रियल नेम ऑफ व्हिच गवर्नर जनरल ऑफ इंडिया? जेम्स एंड्रयू रामसे कहार रियल नेम थिला?
Deluxe.
करेक्ट, करेक्ट. लॉर्ड डेलहाउसी. Public Works Department was organized in 1845 to 1855 by which Governor General?
Deluxe.
Lord Dalhousie.
Lord Dalhousie.
Correct, correct. Who was regarded as father of electric telegraph in India?
Deluxe.
Lord Dalhousie.
Correct. Which company started first railway service in India?
सेम डेलाउस
Company, which company? Option हला Madras Railway, Eastern Railway, Great Indian Peninsular Railway, Awadh Tirhut Railway.
Last, sir.
ସେ ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ଟା କଣ କହିଲେ?
Eastern Railway, Madras Railway, Great Indian Peninsular Railway, Awadh Tirhut Railway.
ଇଷ୍ଟର୍ନ ସରି ଅବଧ ଅବଧ
1853 रे मुंबई टू थाने स्टार्ट हितला फास्ट ट्रेन जोटा ग्रेट इंडियन पेनिनसुला रेलवे स्टार्ट करथिला.
ସେଇଟା ସି
करेक्ट, ग्रेट इंडियन पेनिनसुला रेलवे कंपनी. नेक्स्ट, which of the following governor general denied Lakshmibai's succession to her adopted son after death of her husband and later took over the kingdom?
Deluxe.
Correct,
Lord Dalhousie.
correct. Which governor general formulated and implemented doctrine of lapse?
Lord Dalhousie.
डेलाउस
Correct. Which state was the first annexed by Lord Dalhousie under doctrine of lapse? Nagpur, Satara, Jhansi, Sambhalpur.
Satara.
Correct. Year? Correct.
1848.
1848
Sambhalpur केबे?
1849. 49.
Correct.
Jaipur.
आ बघत
50
1852.
उदयपुर, उदयपुर
1850. Udaipur 1852. 52.
करेक्ट. बघत हला 1850, उदयपुर 1852, झांसी
53.
करेक्ट,
1853.
नागपुर
1854.
ଆଉ ଲାଷ୍ଟ କୋଉଟା ରହିଗଲା କୁହ ଇୟର. ମିସ୍ ଗଭର୍ନାନ୍ସ
Awadh.
ଇୟର
1856.
करेक्ट 1856. The decision to annex which state was not approved by House of Directors for the policy of doctrine of lapse. Sambalpur, Udaipur, Karauli, Satara.
Karauli.
Karauli.
Correct. Karauli. Who was the British resident in Awadh at the time of annexation into British dominion? अवध ଯେତେବେଳେ annexation time ରେ କିଏ ଥିଲେ ବ୍ରିଟିଶ resident ସେଠି? Doctrine of lapse under James Outram, Bishop R. Heber, W. H. Sleeman, General Lowe.
First sir, James Outman.
Correct. James Outram. Awadh was annexed under Dalhousie's period on which ground? Doctrine of lapse, alleged misgovernment,
Doctor Palap.
predatory alliance.
Misgovernance.
Correct.
Second time.
Correct. Alleged misgovernment. Who was the last Governor General and first Viceroy of India? Mayo, Canning,
Lord Canning.
Correct.
Lord Canning.
First census in India during British period was held during
Mayo.
tenure of.
Lord Mayo.
Correct. When did first census begin in India?
1871.
1872.
1872.
Which viceroy was murdered by a convicted criminal when he was on a walk at
Mayo.
Andaman Nicobar?
Lord Mayo. Mayo.
पूरा शुण पूरा नहले बहुत जिनस जानी परिबनी कोठिक जाइथिले से पड़िला जदि सेमती तो सेटा जानिबा दरकार ना तो लॉर्ड मायो was murdered by a convicted criminal when he was on a walk at Andaman and Nicobar Island.
And
Which Governor General was related to policy of masterly inactivity? Policy of masterly inactivity. Lord Lawrence, Lord Mayo, Lord Canning, William Bentinck.
Mayo.
Lord Lawrence.
Mayo.
Lord Lawrence, correct. Who declared Queen Victoria as the Empress of India? Lord Ripon, Lytton, Canning, Dufferin.
Lord Canning.
Lord Lytton. Dorbar hitla.
1877.
Correct. Next, which Governor General did pioneering work in formulating famine policy? Lytton, Dufferin, Ripon, Canning.
Northwood.
Lytton.
Correct. Famine policy. Lord Lytton. Stretch commission भी बसिଥିଲା ତାଙ୍କ अंडर next famine ପାଇଁ who was responsible for encouraging local self government in India?
Lord Ripon.
Ripon, correct. Gilbert Bill controversy occurred in the time of which British viceroy in India?
Lord Ripon. Ripon.
बिल्कुल. In which viceroy's tenure white revolt took place? Curzon, Ripon, Minto, Harding.
Ripon.
Minto.
Ripon, correct. Ripon.
Ripon.
An important event of Lord Dufferin's tenure as viceroy was establishment of what?
INC.
Congress.
Congress.
Indian National Congress, correct. Which viceroy of India has had the longest tenure? Lord Curzon, Lord Harding, Lord Dufferin, Lord Mayo.
Lord Curzon.
Correct. Lord Curzon. 1899 ରୁ 1905. The problem of the Far East गोटे बुक भी लिखिथिले. Archaeological survey of India was founded in which viceroy's tenure?
Lord Curzon.
Curzon, correct.
Curzon.
Who is the author of the book The Problem of the Far East?
Curzon.
Lord Curzon.
Curzon. Which viceroy is called originator of Indian nationalism? Minto, Dalhousie,
Dufferin.
Canning. Curzon, correct. Lord Curzon.
Curzon.
The main reason for rise of disturbance during Lord Curzon's period was what? Construction of Victoria Hall, Campaign of Tibet, Partition of Bengal, Act of Preservation of Ancient Monuments.
Partition of Bengal.
Partition of Bengal.
Partition of Bengal.
Correct. Who was the Viceroy of India during Partition of Bengal?
Lord
Curzon.
Curzon, 1905.
Correct. Who was the Lieutenant Governor of Bengal at the time of Partition of Bengal? H.S. Risley, Andrew Fraser, A.T. Arundel, Broderick.
Andrew Fraser.
Correct. Andrew Fraser. Who compared the administration of Curzon in India with Aurangzeb? Who compared the administration of Curzon in India with Aurangzeb? Gopal Krishna Gokhale, Ani Besant, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Dadabhai Naroji.
Gopal Krishna
Ani Besant.
Gokhale.
Gopal Krishna Gokhale, correct. Which Governor General first used the system of separate electorate to win Muslims and to convert them against
Minto.
Minto.
Lord
Minto.
Minto.
Lord Minto.
Correct.
1901.
One or two?
Two.
One.
Lord Minto. One.
One. Next. The one at whose state entry into Delhi a bomb was thrown. Who was the Governor General? ଯାହାର entry ଯେତେବେଳେ ହେଲା ଦିଲ୍ଲୀରେ bomb ପକା ହେଇଥିଲା. Correct. Lord Harding.
Lord Hardinge.
One or two?
Two.
Heading one.
Lord Hardinge.
One.
2.
କୋଉଟା?
Two.
Heading one.
One or two? ମୁଁ ବି ଜାଣିନି. ଟୁ ଯଦି କହୁଛ ଟୁ ର ଟେନ୍ୟୁର କେତେବେଳେ ଥିଲା?
ଟେନ୍ୟୁର ଥିଲା 10 ରୁ 16 1910 ରୁ 16
ତ ଟୁ ଏଟା ଲର୍ଡ ହାର୍ଡିଂ ଟୁ। ୱାନ୍ କେତେବେଳେ ଥିଲା? ନା ହେନ୍ତି କିଛି ନଥିଲେ?
ହାର୍ଡିଂ ଥିଲା ସେ ଏଲେନ୍ ବୋର୍ଡସ୍ ପରେ ପରେ ବୋଧେ ଥିଲେ।
ଡେଲ୍ ହାଉସି ଆଗରୁ
କରେକ୍ଟ କରେକ୍ଟ ଡେଲ୍ ହାଉସି କରେକ୍ଟ ଠିକ। ତ ଲର୍ଡ ହାର୍ଡିଂ ୱାନ୍ ଥିଲେ ସେ ଟାଇମରେ, ତ ତାପରେ ଟୁ କରେକ୍ଟ। ତ ଲର୍ଡ ହାର୍ଡିଂ ଟୁ ବମ୍ବ କେସ୍। ନେକ୍ସଟ ହୁ ଇଜ ନୋନ୍ ଏଜ ଫାଦର ଅଫ ଡାୟାର୍କି? ଲର୍ଡ କ୍ଲାଇଭ୍, ହେକ୍ଟର ମୁନରୋ, ଲର୍ଡ ଲିଓନେଲ
Templar.
କାଟିସ୍, ଲର୍ଡ ମାକାଉଲେ।
Option.
Father of Diarchy, Lord Clive, Hector Munro, Lionel Curtis, Lord Macaulay.
Lionel Curtis.
Correct.
Hector Munro.
Lionel Curtis. Lionel Curtis. Who was the only Jewish viceroy of India? Jews thile. Curzon, Irwin, Reading, Canning.
Irwin.
Reading.
Lord Reading, correct. In whose viceroyalty Gandhiji launched individual satyagraha and quit India movement? And Cripps
Lord
mission arrived in
Linlithgow.
India.
Lord Linlithgow.
Correct. Linlithgow. Who addressed Gandhiji as one-man boundary force? Churchill, Mountbatten, Otley, Simon.
Churchill.
Churchill.
Mountbatten.
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 ଅର୍ଦ୍ଧନଗ୍ନ ଫକୀର କହିଥିଲେ ଚର୍ଚ୍ଚିଲ।
Correct. Correct. Who was the first Governor General of independent India? Lord Mountbatten,
C. Rajagopalachari.
Rajendra Prasad, Stafford Cripps.
ସି ରାଜଗୋପାଳଚାରୀ।
C. Rajagopalachari.
Lord Mountbatten. ମୁଁ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆନ କହିନି।
ମାନେ ଇଣ୍ଡିପେଣ୍ଡେନ୍ସ ପରେ ହେଇଥିଲେ ରାଜଗୋପାଳଚାରୀ।
ଇଣ୍ଡିପେଣ୍ଡେନ୍ସ ପରେ
First.
ବି ଥିଲେ ଇଏ ମାଉଣ୍ଟବେଟେନ୍। ହେଲା ଯଦି ଇଣ୍ଡିଆନ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣର ଜେନେରାଲ କହିଥିଲେ ହବ।
ହଁ ହଁ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆନ ଅରିଜିନ ହେଇଥିଲେ।
ହେଲା ତ ଫର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣର ଜେନେରାଲ ଅଫ ଇଣ୍ଡିପେଣ୍ଡେଣ୍ଟ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆ ମାଉଣ୍ଟବେଟେନ୍। ହୁ ୱାଜ ଦ ଫର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଲାଷ୍ଟ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆନ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣର ଜେନେରାଲ?
C. Rajagopalachari.
Rajagopalachari.
କରେକ୍ଟ। ସେଦିନ ପଚାରିଥିଲି ଦ ରିଭର ସିଚୁଏଟେଡ୍ along border of USA and Mexico is what? Colorado, Mississippi, Rio Grande, Amazon.
Rio Grande.
Rio Grande.
Correct, Rio Grande. Which is the largest river of South America?
Amazon.
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 Which river has the world's largest river basin?
Caspian
Amazon.
Sea.
Amazon.
Sorry, Amazon.
Amazon, correct. Which river is the second longest river of the world?
Amazon.
Correct, Amazon. Second longest.
Amazon.
Which is the longest river of the world?
Nile.
Nile.
Nile. Which river among the following does not drain in Atlantic Ocean? जे मैप जानिथिबो कहि परिबो. Which of the following rivers does not drain in Atlantic Ocean? Atlantic Ocean रे जाइकी पड़ेनी. नाइजर, पाराना, सेंट लॉरेंस, जाम्बेजी.
Zambezi.
जदि पड़ेनी कोठी पड़े ताहले?
Indian Ocean.
बहुत बढ़िया, इंडियन ओशन. एटा एंती टाइप रो क्वेश्चन ओनली जे मैप ठीक से देखुथबो से ही जानि परिबो, नहले केबे जानि परिबोनी. सेमती भी जदि जाम्बेजी
So
कोठी
the
अछि,
answer
जाम्बेजी रिवर, जाम्बेजी जदि
Okay.
कुआडे फ्लो भी होछि जणे देखिथिबो हेले जानि परिबो जे
Indian Ocean.
आफ्रिकार ईस्टर्न रे अछंती से रिवर फ्लो होछि. जाम्बिया, जिम्बाब्वे सब तो कंट्री लोकेशन भी जणे जानिथिबो हेले भी पाखरे तो अछि इंडियन ओशन कहि परिबो. नेक्स्ट, मुरे डार्लिंग रिवर सिस्टम इज इन व्हिच कंट्री?
Australia.
ऑस्ट्रेलिया.
Australia.
करेक्ट.
ଆପଣ ଜାମ୍ବିଆରେ ଅଛି କି?
କୋଟା କୋଟା?
ଜାମ୍ବେଜି ରିଭର ଯୋଉ ଏ ଯୋଉ କହିଲେ ଏବେ
ହଁ ମାନେ ଜାମ୍ବେଜି, ଜିମ୍ବାବ୍वे ତାପରେ ଅଛନ୍ତି ଯୋଉ ମୋଜାମ୍बिକ ଏସବୁ ଦେଇକି ଫ୍ଲୋ ହଉଛି. ତ ମୁଖ୍ୟତଃ ଇଷ୍ଟର୍ନ ପାର୍ଟରେ ତ ସେଆଡେ ଫ୍ଲୋ ହେଇକି ଇଣ୍ଡିଆନ ଓସନରେ ପଡୁଛି. Which city is located at the confluence of rivers White Nile and Blue Nile? Port Sudan, Khartoum, Juba,
Port Sudan.
Omdurman.
Port Sudan.
लास्ट टाइम भी तमे कहितलो पोर्ट सुदान आ भूल हितला.
Khartoum.
करेक्ट, खार्टूम. सुदान रो कैपिटल खार्टूम रे मिसी चंती व्हाइट नाइल और ब्लू नाइल और हेची नाइल रिवर. नेक्स्ट, नहले ता पूर्वरु ए दिटा अलगा अलगा थिले, सेठी मिसिला परे तापरे नाइल हेकी फ्लो हुए इजिप्ट आड़कू जाए. नेक्स्ट, इटाइपू डैम जोटा कि वन ऑफ द वर्ल्ड्स बिगेस्ट डैम्स पाराना रिवर रे अछि. इटाइपू डैम को दुईटा कंट्री रो प्रोजेक्ट. इटाइपू डैम फास्ट तो पाराना रिवर जानिबा दरकार. सेकंड हला इटाइपू डैम को कॉन्टिनेंट रे अछि. ऑप्शन रो जानि पकेबो जे ब्राजील पेरू,
America.
ब्राजील पाराग्वे, कोलंबिया पाराग्वे, पाराग्वे इक्वेडर.
Brazil, Paraguay.
करेक्ट.
Brazil, Paraguay.
Brazil, Paraguay.
ब्राजील पाराग्वे. पाराना रिवर जो कहिदला टिके हिंट मिलिगला जे पाराग्वे तो रहिबो ही. पाराना रिवर पाराग्वे देखि फ्लो होची. आ गोटे कोटा सेटा जानिबा पई भी इजी हिजिवो कानी ना कोलंबिया जाइकी अछि ऊपरे, पाराग्वे अछि एपटे. तो सेति पई मैप गोटे एंती जिंस बहुत हेल्प करे एलिमिनेशन रे. तो ब्राजील एंड पाराग्वे ई टाइप डैम.
ସାଉଥ ଆମେରିକା ପଟକୁ ବି ହବ କି ସାର୍ ସେଟା?
बिल्कुल, पाराना रिवर साउथ अमेरिका रे ही फ्लो होची.
ସାଉଥ ଆମେରିକା ଯୋଉ ବ୍ରାଜିଲ ହଁ ବୋଲଭିଆ ହେରିକା ଯୋଉ ଆର୍ଜେଣ୍ଟିନା ସବୁ
बिल्कुल. तो ब्राजील पाराग्वे रो जॉइंट प्रोजेक्ट होची ई टाइप डैम. नेक्स्ट, व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट करेक्टली मैच्ड? माने गोटे रिवर सिटी एंड रिवर व्हिच इज नॉट करेक्टली मैच्ड. बॉन राइन. सेकंड हला काइरो नाइल, न्यूयॉर्क हडसन, वियना भोल्गा.
Vienna, Volga.
कौन हबो?
Last Vienna, Volga.
कौन हबो?
Vienna to Australia.
डैन्यूब रिवर.
Danube.
वियना टा डैन्यूब रिवर हबो. तो बॉन ठीक थिला, बॉन अछि राइन नदी कूल रे. आ काइरो अछि नाइल तो जणा अछि सेटा इजिप्ट रा.
ହଡସନ ବି
न्यूयॉर्क हडसन ठीक अछि. वियना टा हबो डैन्यूब.